It's all right. It's
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Homewood or over Glenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
quite all right, really. Don't make a fuss.
Okay.